Hi guys, it's Diamond. And we can see here are 3 covers on my desk because today I'm going to make 3 classic pocket size covers here. Yes, just like this mine here, and this is for this classic. Okay, let me show you for this classic pocket size notebook. And also I will tell you guys about the size later. So you can see this is the pocket size notebook here, and these 3 covers we are made to fit this notebook today. Okay, and this is mine. Yeah, I use this every day, and I feel it's really very useful and very easy to carry to everywhere, to put in the wallet pocket or put in the jacket pocket. It's all very big. So, and because this customer she made 6 covers in this size, but she made 2 dark 9, and dark 9s they will just arrive to my studio today, so I didn't cut it yet. And today I will just pre-made these 3 covers for this order. Okay, so let's start to make it and see how it turns out later. Okay, see you later. Hi guys. Yes, and they are here. You can see they are just very beautiful. It's very tiny and just very, I don't know how to say that, feel very elegant or just gorgeous. Yes, they are. You can see. And let's try to put the MOLESKINE pocket notebook into the thick layers cover and see how it turns out. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's try in the chocolate. It's the first time to try this. Yeah, a little bit nervous. Because it's new, so it's a little tight, but we just keep push it into the end to very close the edge. Yes, and just open it. And I want to tell you guys, if you buy this MOLESKINE cover, you must have a real leather covers in this pocket size of this notebook, or you can see it's really easy to broken. You can see here I only use this for weeks and it already become like this. So if you want to very good protection for your MOLESKINE pocket size classic cover, you must have this real leather cover for your pocket size notebook. Okay, so let's see, and let's just push the back also into the butt close to the edge, and we can see, yes, it's like this. Super sturdy. Yeah, it's really super sturdy. You can see, very beautiful, and it's just very convenient to go anywhere with you. Yes, and you can put in your pocket wallet and put in any purse you carry. It's just very tiny and very functional. Yes, we can see, open like this. Yes, I have using this journal in a week, so just few notes inside. Yes, and I love to using this. Okay, so tell you guys again, if you have this brand of a notebook and you really need to go get one pocket size cover in my shop, yes, and or it will just become very easy to broken. You can see like the original cover is already a little broken. Yes, you can see. So you must use Lecow and the right pocket size cover to protection your notebook, and you can just go anywhere with you in whole years. Yes, like this. This is mine. Yeah, and I'm just really satisfied with this. And okay, I will tell you guys the size. So because I hear from my customers to tell me in this notebook, yeah, in this notebook it has two sizes different in the UK and in USA. So I want to tell you guys the cover of the pocket size classic. I will measure it now to tell you guys. Okay, and you can see if your classic pocket size notebook is smaller than this cover, and you can get it. Okay, so we can see the wise is going to be the at 0.25 inch. Yes, at 0.25 inch and equal to 21 centimeters. Okay, and the toe we're going to 6 and I think just only 6.1 or 6, okay, 6.1 inches in the toe, and the centimeters is going to the 15.5 centimeters. Okay, so if you have used the, okay, I have a list tips here. If you also use this brand of the notebook, and you can just go measure it. If your size is in the, okay, here have the size here. Okay, if you are the same size with this notebook, and you can just go get it from my shop too. Okay, and this will just provide you a very good protection for your classic hand cover. Yes, you will just provide you this very good notebooks cover for your this small notebook. Okay, so this is the video today, and wish you will all love it. And I just very love with 3 little notebooks here. Okay, so hope to see you guys soon. Bye bye.